from these markets. You get like if you've been to Lagos and you know their inner details, you know this guy is costing like some serious money, but they are locals. So a lot of us, because we are, I mean, she also, our mom is rich, like as a business, as a market, she's rich. You get, but she just felt, like, how would I be in the market? Like, it's not my. So there was not even anything going in that direction. So I now said, 1, 2, 3, let's do it this way. I came up with it. We came up with a logo, the initial logo. We designed the first website, and we started. Before we knew it, like calls just started coming in. Oh, I want to be a distributor. Can you do this?
Distributor.
Like you don't understand. I don't have a shop, but I've already created a big impression that you get in that field. See, sometimes our minds are narrowed by what we want. So if you narrow your mind down that I want to play in this space alone, that's where your mind would strictly be. So that was why I just learned out of that. Ankara.com was too big. Who cares? Let's start first. You get. So we did everything. People started calling in. I want to be a distributor. I want to. So you know, all the products in our mom's shop, like I now wanted like more products. Like I had to start like so. There was this thing we learned in Jumia. I don't know if anybody has worked with Jumia before. So
this one is Jumia expert.
Oh, you work with Jumia? Oh yeah, J4.
I'm a J4.
Okay. You are part of our scammers. So basically, I mean, I started with Jumia when Jumia started at Lekki. When we started, when we were just like, let's say 30. That was when I started with Jumia. So, and you know, there's one thing about Europeans. They are not like the Chinese or the Indians. Like, they don't have the population. So they will teach you like the core.
Okay.
So that you can be able to undo for them and they replicate the. So, for those of us who were the early starters, like, we really learned fast what the rudiment of e-commerce was going to be.
Okay.
See, in e-commerce, it's more about brand. People are looking for names. People are looking for what? Names. So we started Jumia Food. We put all the Yala Carodos on the streets, like the bookers. They were not selling. They were not selling. Immediately put Chicken Republic. Naturally, people will just gravitate towards it. You've not done any marketing. Because people go online, how can I get Chicken Republic in? You get? So they had that attention that pull brands. So the more brands you have on your platform, the better for you. You get? So you are going to do less stress on marketing. So you grow to a stage. So as we were pulling brands, so we mocked out most of the brands around, like the Chicken Republic, the Tantalizers, the Mr. Biggs. So some were falling along the wayside. Then we now struck the big deal with the place. So the place was like the transformation one. Then there are now some on that same platform. So like who sells food? You sell food on that same platform. Then you now have like some small players who, if they get like really, really serious, they can leverage on the defects of the big brands. So for example, there was this restaurant, 411. I don't know if you know 411.
That's a dog.
That's not 404. That's 404. So there's this restaurant, 411. So 411 was my friend. I mean, we knew way back from the university days. So he started the food thing like, in VI. So I was like his personal friend. So I would just tell him, see, do it this way. have good food, serve good food, do good service. You get. When somebody is looking for the place and the delivery guy does not come on time, the next time he's going to get annoyed. I want to say, let me try this one. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they now kept falling to his side. Falling to his side. See, mimic his menu. Mimic this guy's menu. You get? This was what Chinese use now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a model that is everywhere. You get it? It's not like a new model. Like, so just replicate it. Mimic his menu. Put it there. You get? From 50,000, this guy grew to be selling. By the time I left Jumia, he was already selling 2.5 million monthly on the platform.
So you should be happy.
You get? He was already selling 2.5 million on the platform by the time I left. Just by what? There's a big guy. You are below him. I had already put you below him. You know, we were insiders. So we know where the traffic goes. You get? This is where the traffic goes. I'm not going to direct the traffic to you. It's the customer that will still come naturally. But you just position yourself in a good spot there. You get? And over the time, his service was very, very efficient. Like, he was like delivering on service. So, as business owners, don't compromise on service delivery. Don't never compromise on service delivery. If you say you're going to deliver to so time, deliver to that time. If it's not going to happen, tell the person it's not going to happen. You know the funny truth? They will wait.
Because you have told them.
Yes. They will wait. That's the funny truth about what happens in the online world. So the online world, all that you see that Jumia has built is based on leveraging on other people's brands. Pure and simple. Go and check Jumia's homepage. You will not see an unknown name on their homepage. Am I lying? Let's open now and see.
No.
You will not see an unknown brand on the homepage. Because those are the things that drive traffic to them. The moment you come on Google and say, I'm looking for Simaida, for example, let's say you want to buy an AC, or let's say this Royal, you get. They will be the first person to pop up. Naturally, they will put less effort. Because you know what? This Royal guy is only a manufacturer. He will not optimize his page online. So he only sells big offline in the shops. You get what I'm saying? He sells big in the shops, but he will not optimize it online. So me as Jumia, I'll just come. Oh, people are always looking for this name. See, I have some trick SEO trackers like there on my Google. Like you just put it there. So you like it's like a research tool, like keyword research. So the name is keyword everywhere. So keyword research, like the keyword research tool will help you know like what people are looking for. I don't know if you're online, we can like do like some small experiment. No, like if there is like a Wi-Fi thing here, that's so because you are not going to have like okay, if you're online, just go to Google. Go to Google.
Yeah,
So what should we search for?
yeah, yes, sir.
Me?
You mean a product?
Yes.
Okay, product. Okay,
Or a category.
Let's say
Souvenir bags.
souvenir bags. Okay. Put souvenir bags.
Too bad.
So I'll now tell you another trick.
okay. Should we search or we just type?
Search.
Souvenir bags in Nigeria, souvenir bag sample, souvenir bags in Lagos, souvenir bags for wedding.
Okay, search. So you see on those lists is that it has already given you suggestion of all the possible names that people are searching with.
Okay.
So anytime you want to do souvenir bags, just pick all those words that Google suggested and use it as part of your content.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Can they be used as hashtags, or they should just find their way
Into the
Just into the
description.
content.
Into the content, the description of
Yes,
whatever you're
people
doing.
know.
Okay.
You get. Google has already suggested it to you, but we have like on my own laptop, I have like deeper tools that will now price the value of each of those words. You get, it will rate it based on price that this is how much people are searching this. Like if you use this particular word, this is how much people are like really concentrating searching on this. Because there are some people who are also paying for it, which is this SEM, that's search engine marketing. So there are some people who are also paying for those words. You get, so this is how much people have spent paying for that. You get, so you know that, oh, this phrase must be so key, keep it. So anytime you are phrasing your content, because what people do is people don't really take time to write content. I mean, I've seen a lot of blogs. People just write 3-line sentence, and all they just write is maybe this is the only thing they know. Let's say souvenir bags. You know, write souvenir bags in souvenir bags. This is the like you get. No. Write something genuine. Teach somebody something. You get, like, write something like well detailed. If you are writing a content, take time, write a page. You get what I'm saying? Write a page. So for example, let's go another route. You want to look for Ankara, for example, now. So what would you put? Say you're looking for what? Ankara, right?
Quality Ankara.
Latest.
Whatever. So just
Ankara bags and shoes.
Ankara souvenir bags, Ankara styles, Ankara bags and shoes, Ankara fashion.
so
Okay.
those are the popular
Searches.
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 You get, so it's not left to you the one you want. Are you a random searcher, or you are like a specific searcher who is looking for like something actually? You get. So for example, let's say you are looking for fabrics, what would you have put?
The
Just
type of
Ankara
fabric
material.
I'm looking for.
Hmm?
The name of the fabric
I'll
I'm
write
looking for.
latest Ankara materials.
Latest Ankara materials. Okay, let's see.
Or designs.
Mm.
Designs. I'll write latest Ankara designs. Okay.
So what's the suggestion?
Latest Ankara designs for ladies, for men, for 2019, for guys, for short gown, for long
For
gown.
long gown, you get. So that teaches you like a whole new secret into it. So what did I do with Ankara.com from the learnings that how long did it take Jumia to enter New York Stock Exchange? It was less than 6 years. 6 years. How many businesses started like on a local balance and would have achieved that like in 6 years? How much are you searched? So if people are searching for you, let me put you on my page. So that's what Jumia does. Put all the correct brand. Put it there. And the SEO guys will now tweak small the other ones. So even without spending money